Taking just so deep and live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just so deep and live my life. Don't take it personal.
Hey Royals, today is the day that I'm sharing with you my living room fall tour. I'm so excited to share this with you guys because I took a plunge in the royal family, you guys. I went with the beautiful royal tones of the purples, aubergines, pomegranate, mulberries, and I wanted to infuse them into this space for the fall season. You guys know that I am a tried and true lover of Tiffany blue, but this year I wanted to switch it up a bit. So I'll give you details of where most of the items came from in this space. Starting with the furniture pieces itself, the sofa in love are a refurbished or reupholstered set that I've had, you guys, for 10 years. Just wanted to give it a nice facelift to fit in our new space. I chose a champagne velvet to do that, to give me that old Hollywood Parisian flair. So with that neutral background, you guys, I can use any color, any theme of my choice, and it will work beautifully in this space. As you can see, I have the champagne velvet curtains. They are DKNY, and I will try to link those. I got them from Home Goods, but I know that they're available in other locations, so I'll try to link them if I can, but they match perfectly with this set. And you guys, here is a funny story. I have been selling some things on Facebook Marketplace because we are preparing to move. And as opposed to a coffee table, I wanted to give you somewhat of a setup to complete this video for you guys. So I thought quickly to pull in my ottomans and just style them as an option for coffee tables. In case you're in a small space and you don't have space for a coffee table, ottoman will serve the purpose. And so I pulled those two in, and then I'll give you guys the details of that shortly. But let's go into the details of the pillows on the sofas and chair. The fur pillows or faux fur pillows are from Z Gallery. The aubergine or magenta color pillows are actually pillow covers that I got from Amazon, and inside are some pillows from Rodeo Homes. They're the down feel, so it gives you that nice karate chop. The large faux fur pillows are 24 by 24, and the aubergine pillows are actually a 20 by 20. The rug, you guys, is from Inspire Me Home Decor collection. I absolutely love this rug, and it blends perfectly with this beautiful neutral palette. You guys, I can't stress enough how important it is to go with neutral pieces. As far as your big decor pieces, go neutral, and it gives you the versatility to change up in any color scheme or theme of your desire, as you see here. Moving on to the sofa, you guys, the ornate or very detailed beaded pillows are from Home Goods, both the 22 by 22 and the lumbar. The throw is also from Home Goods. I picked it up a couple of seasons ago. It is absolutely stunning. And it, again, it's a neutral, so anything will pop against it. I cannot tell you how much I am enjoying this pop of color in this space. It gives me so much joy. And when you're creating a space, you guys, I always say, shop your home. Use what you have. And showing you guys our photo gallery or photo wall, I always like to personalize my space. If it's your home, make it your own. Put photos of your children, your family, what have you. And this, you guys, is a collection of photos that I love from our wedding photo session, and I just pulled them out, printed them off in black and white to keep it uniform and cohesive, matted them up, and in this beautiful champagne trimmed and mirrored frames from Hobby Lobby. I got all the frames at 50% off because your girl balls on a budget. That is the royalty way. So now let's move down to this unique setting here. I have the 2 ottomans from Inspire Me Home Decor, and on one I styled up a mirror that I'm using as a tray, created a beautiful centerpiece with the accent color, of course, came in with a beautiful candle holder from Bath and Body Works, and I found a beautiful candle, you guys, that's the perfect color for this space from Walmart, $5, and it smells amazing. On the other tray, I have ottoman. I have a pumpkin that is kind of ombre with the plums and golds and aquas, a beautiful leaf bulb, and my cute little squirrel, and that is set. In the middle of the 2, I just have my tried and true candlestick set with the champagne colored flickering light or the flameless candles on top, and there you have it. I think this was a creative way to style up the space and give you another option as opposed to a coffee table. Also, that gold pumpkin, you guys, is one of my latest additions to my pumpkin patch. It is from Burlington. It was $9.99, and it is set on top of my Inspire Me Home Decor cake stand. I absolutely love this group, and how vibrant is that color, you guys. It is just stunning. Against the neutral palette, this color pops as any color would when you have a neutral backdrop. Now moving over to this side, you guys, I have the lamps here from Ross Home Stores. The lamp shades, I have them adorned with some tassels, also from Ross. The picture above the chair, you guys, is from Burlington, and the mirrored wall plaques are a DIY by yours truly. Now guys, notice how I've danced this color around the room. You'll see it in 3 to 5 places, and that is the key to make any accent color pop. And if I have not said it in this video, I try to say it in every video: shop your home first. You will be amazed at how you can create different looks, just maneuvering things around in your space. You guys, I am absolutely loving this new piece. It is the Toronto mirror from Z Gallery. I got an amazing deal on that. I shared that with you guys in a haul. It had a few little nicks on it, but I was able to get it at an amazing price, and I can live with it with the little knickknacks. You can't even tell. It's so fabulous. Now, let's get into the showstopper of the room. This tree is absolutely beautiful. It is a King of Christmas Prince flock tree. This one is unlit, and I wanted to style it up for the fall and Christmas season. But this just shows you how you can be versatile with your styling, you guys. I absolutely love the design of this tree. It came out even better than I expected. I took you guys along as I shopped the Dollar Tree, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, wherever I could find things that I thought would fit and give me that look that I was going for. I purchased it, and I did it, you guys, on a budget. The maple leaves are from Michael's. I got some at 40, some at 50% off. The purple pumpkins are from Hobby Lobby, 40% off. The beaded and coffee color or toffee color pumpkins, as well as the cream ones, are from the Dollar Tree. Acorns I've had several years ago from a local craft store. The florals are from the frosted florals are from Hobby Lobby at 50% off. The beautiful bright pomegranate ones are from Michael's. They were part of the spring sale, so I got them at 70% off. I mean, you can just shop smart, you guys, and create beautiful, beautiful looks. How gorgeous is this tree? The champagne pumpkins are from Ross Home Stores. And everything just came together so beautifully. And I took some of the maple stems and created a tree skirt, if you will, to make it seem as if the maple leaves have fallen to the floor. And guys, I can't stress it enough. I absolutely love this. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, I've said it enough, but you get the picture. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I love this space. And this room is beautiful to me always, but it's so sentimental to even just be doing this voiceover for you guys, because this is the last fall home tour that I'll be doing in this home, you guys. We're starting a new chapter, but I'm so thankful for the time that God allowed us to enjoy our time in this home. This is where my love and I began, and it's so bittersweet. And I'm absolutely thankful for just the memories, just the love that was shared, entertaining family, our daughters, just the laughter, and I'm gonna miss it. So yeah, it's bittersweet. But again, I don't want to get too emotional, but I am really thankful for what God is doing in our lives. And I just believe that if you are faithful over a few things, God will make you ruler over many. That's the word of God, and I stand on that. And I'm not trying to get preachy, but I just have to say what I feel. And I just want to encourage any of you that if you are believing God for anything, just be a good steward over what you have, and He will bless you with what you desire. So we praised Him in this place, and we're going to give Him even more praise in the new place. So that's all. No more preaching. Let's enjoy the space. Now, guys, if you are loving this space, I want to invite you to please hit your notifications, because I have a surprise for you all on Sunday. I am teaming up with my dream team, and we are bringing you an amazing collaboration. You don't want to miss it, and it will be in conjunction with this space. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the royal family. We are full of inspiration, motivation, and so much creativity. To my tried and trues and my brand new boos, I want you guys to know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you guys so much for your continued support. I say it all the time, but I mean it from my heart, you guys. I appreciate you. Every comment, every thumbs up, every like, everything that you do to support me on YT, IG, and Facebook alike, I am grateful. Without you, royalty would not be what it is. So thank you guys for being a part of the royal family. Now, in closing, you already know what I say, and I'm going to say in every video, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart. I want you all, both my brand new boos and my tried and trues, to have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.